Ty Majeski, Corey Heim up front. 2 laps to decide the championship. Caden Honeycutt is right there. Nose to nose.
Majeski sends it in there. Heim up the track. He gets the lead.
Corey Heim, Ty Majeski, Caden Honeycutt. Next flag will be the white flag. There it is. The next flag will end this race. What a storybook season it has been for Corey Heim. The best we've ever seen. An 11-time winner. They'll be moving on from the Truck Series full-time. This young man from Georgia. It has been magical. And here he comes one last time. Corey Heim wins the race. Corey Heim is a champion.